Hi, Lisa. Why are you learning English?
Hi, Jack. I want to travel and speak with people.
That's a great reason. Where do you want to go?
I want to visit Canada and Australia someday.
Nice! I want to study abroad in the US.
Wow, that's a big dream.
Yes, so I'm trying to improve my English every day.
That's good. I study English every morning.
Do you take classes or study by yourself?
I do both. I take a class and use an app at home.
That's smart. I only use free YouTube videos.
YouTube is great. Do you have a favorite channel?
I like Speak Easy English. It's simple and clear.
I'll check it out. I watch Learn English day by day.
Do you practice speaking every day?
Not every day, but I try 3 times a week.
That's good. I talk to myself in the mirror.
Ha! I do that too when no one's around.
Do you write in English as well?
A little. I keep a small English diary.
That's great. I only write when I do homework.
What is your biggest goal in learning English?
I want to speak fluently and confidently.
Me too. Let's help each other.
See you in the next video.